Hi viewers. Viewers, today a new topic that we will discuss, that is correlation. How to calculate the correlation? Before the start of calculation of correlation, I would like to tell you about the definition and how the word is derived from. The correlation is the relationship between two variables, that is x or y, and the word is correlation. Co means together and relation, two variables or relations, that is x and y. So an example of a correlation is a person of a shop wanted to know the sale of its ice cream, the sale of ice cream and the temperature. So he would like and he also use the correlation. So how much the correlation, how much the relation of two values, that is the cell and that is the temperature. Individually values he should know from this correlation. So here I am going to solve you about the correlation, how to calculate the correlation of two variables. Here the two variables are given, that is x and y. These values of x and y, for the help of these value we will find how to calculate the correlation. The formula for the correlation identified from by R. So n summation of x y minus summation of x multiplied by summation of y, then is divided by under root n summation of x square into summation of x whole square minus under root close, then second under root n summation of y square minus summation of y whole square. So here only x and y is given. Now we will find the columns of sum of x y. We will make another column, that is x multiplied by y. Then another required column, that is x square. Here is x square. Now you find x square. Then last one, the required column, that is y square. That is y square. First we find all these columns of x, xy, x square and y square. Then put these values in the formula. After the calculation of these values, we put the sum of all values, because these all values are required in the formula. So these are values. Now put the values in the formula, that is R is equal to n. How much n? N is the number of items. How much items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is the 8 items. N is equal to 8. Then it multiplied by summation of xy. Here is the summation of xy, 777. Then minus summation of x. What is the summation of x? This is 60. Summation of x is equal to 60. Then it multiplied by summation of y. The summation of y, that is equal to 101. Now under root n. What is the n? Similarly, n is the number of item, that is 8. So it multiplied by x square. Here is the x square, 466. 466. Then minus, this is the sum of x and its square. Here is the sum of x. This is 60 and its square. Under root close, then next under root. That's it. Also n 8 summation of y square. Here is the summation of y square, 1303. It multiplied by summation of y square. Summation of y whole square, not a summation of y square. It's a summation of y whole square. Here is the sum of y whole square. Here is the sum of y its whole square. Here is the sum of y, that is 101 and its whole square. 101 its whole square. After the calculation of this, we will find all these values. Before the calculation, I would like to request you, don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel and push the bell icon for next videos. When we multiply these values and after subtract from this value to this value, 156 will come out, and then here multiply this value for this and square of this value for and difference between this 128 will become. Similarly here also we multiply this value and square of this, then differentiate. Here is a difference. Remember this, there is a difference. So difference from this value, the value become 123 and multiply by this square root and this square root, the values will become 28,544. So after the square remove the square root, we get the value that is 168.95. When we divide this value, this actual figure, this actual correlation will become, this is 0.92. Here it means best correlation between x and y, because there is a 92%, not a perfect but best, because you should know the limit of correlation, that is -1 to +1. -1 means negative, 100% negative correlation, and zero correlation is also, that is no correlation between two variables, and when 100% it means that is a 100% positive correlation. So this is the pattern to calculate the correlation relationship between two variables. For my next video, for next problem, don't miss to subscribe. Again, I told you that don't subscribe my YouTube channel and push the bell of icon. Thank you for next video.